Okay, students, today we are going to discuss with you electric dipole. So, বৈদ্যুতিক দ্বিমেরু. So, what is called electric dipole? So, when two equal and opposite charges separated by a small distance constitute an electric dipole. In actual practice, we have water molecule, we have ammonia, we have carbon dioxide. These are this molecule constitute electric dipole. Now you see there are some terms related with electric dipole. These are let us consider AB an electric dipole constituted by two charges A and two charges P and Q. Okay, plus Q and in figure AB is an electric dipole. AB is an electric dipole. Constituted by two equal and opposite charges minus Q and plus Q, separated by very small distance twice A. We are taking this distance twice A to make the further calculations easy, because we want in the calculation of electric dipole half of the distance. So if we take the distance as A, then it half of A becomes A by 2. So it will create some problems, it will create some difficulties in calculation. So we are taking the distance between the two charges as twice A and nothing else. Okay, so here in figure AB is an electric dipole constituted by two charges minus Q and plus Q, separated by a distance twice as A. Here the mid of this distance is taken as O. O is the mid center of the dipole. O is the center of the dipole. Here O is the center of the dipole. Now if AB, the distance between the two charges, center of the two charges is twice A, then half of this distance become A. So this distance from here to the midpoint of the dipole A, again this distance is A. Okay. Now you see there is another term related to electric dipole, that is called dipole length. The distance between these two charges, which is in this case twice A, is nothing but dipole length. Here twice A is the dipole length. Twice A is the dipole length. Okay. Now there is another term known as dipole moment. But before going to dipole moment, let us discuss a little more about dipole length. Dipole length is a vector quantity. Dipole length, that is twice A. Twice A is the dipole length. Dipole length is a vector quantity. Now its direction is always from negative to positive charge. Its direction is always from negative to positive charge. So dipole length, you students, you always remember dipole length, that is the distance between the two center of the two charges, is dipole length. It is a vector quantity and its direction is from negative to the positive charge. Now there is another quantity that is called dipole moment. Dipole moment. Now what is dipole moment? Dipole moment again is a vector quantity. It is denoted by P vector. So what is dipole moment? Dipole moment is the product of the magnitude of the either charge and the dipole length. So magnitude of either charge means Q into twice A. Since twice A is the dipole length, so dipole moment is also a vector quantity. Its direction is same with the direction of the dipole length. So direction of dipole moment is same with the direction of the dipole length. Okay. Now